Okay, welcome back to the channel. I don't know well that's coming in. I'll have to zoom in on it, but you can see there is a helicopter in the cranberry bogs next door, and what they're doing is they're fertilizing the bogs. And this guy comes twice a year. He'll come in the spring, he'll come and in the fall and do it twice. He's getting ready to take off. They just filled up those white hoppers on the side with fertilizer, and he'll come pretty close to these trees. So let's just take a quick look and then we'll talk about today's video. There's one of my dogs. So this is the new dog we just got. She came from a rescue in South Carolina, and she is a pole hound. So there's my other border collie right there. The one way back there, he doesn't like the helicopter, but she's kind of a handful here. So all right, so let's talk about today's video. Are they going to take off? It sounds like they're going to take off again. So, and see him make a pass over the house. Okay, that's going to do it for the helicopter. I'm used to seeing him, so it's really no big deal to me. So let's talk about today's video. There's not a whole lot of work last week going on the bike. Temperature here has been brutal. It's been 103 degrees yesterday and 101. We've had a heat wave of about 100 degrees the last 4 days. The AC unit I got for the garage, I mean, it cools the garage to like 76 degrees, but it struggles. So I didn't do a whole lot of work out there. One of the things I wanted to talk about is I am going to be taking the month of July off from any videos. I just had so much stuff to do on the property. So I almost got this new fence done. I got a couple more sections of this that I've got. I got 4 more pieces of the rough cut in my trailer, so I got to do that. And I think I'm only going to need 3 more. But there's just so much stuff that I have to do around here. I have like 6 doctor's appointments in July, which take a half a day to go to. So I just decided I'm going to take July off. He's right over the hole. See if I can see him again. There he is, right there. Yeah, he goes pretty low because he is dropping these pellets. Here he comes again. All right, so let me finish this video up. Yeah, so I am taking the month of July off. I will be back August 1st with a full, the full long format videos. I might do a 1 or 2 minute video here and there during the month of July, but for the most part, I'm going to be taking that whole month off. So I will see you on August 1st, which will be the next full-length video. Don't forget to subscribe, and that way if I do decide to upload early, you'll know when I do that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you on August 1st.